Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video, and today we will be focusing on the audio part of video making, and especially the best software you can get out there for free, which is Audacity. Now there are many reasons why even the biggest YouTubers use it. I'm talking PewDiePie, I'm sure you've heard of him. He's using Audacity to record the audio for his videos. Why Audacity is simple to use yet simple to master. I'll explain that in a minute. Now I'll show you examples, a quick overview on how to import an audio track, how to remove background noises, how to add sound effects. But in order for this video not to be 10 hours long, I will also give you links to resources on the Audacity wiki to get articles, forums, and a lot of tools to help you become a master at audio recording and editing. Now, your first step to using this software is of course to download it. So I want you to head to audacity.sourceforge.net and click on download. Now, as you can see, it's available for Mac and Windows, and it's a very old software, but that keeps getting better. They keep improving it, so it's not outdated in the least. Now, before I show you the actual software, I will give you the links to the Audacity wiki, which is where you will find huge amounts of tools, help, articles, tutorials, frequently asked questions, even the history of the software if you are interested. And also I want to point you to the Audacity forum where you can ask questions, interact with other members, and if you have a problem with the software, I suggest you head to the forum and check if your question has already been answered. So this is where you will end up once you open up the software, and as you can see, it sounds confusing because it has just so many options, but basically you can create audio, stop the audio, skip ahead, skip back, pause, or play. Basic recording. You can also choose a microphone from your list of plugged in microphones. Let's just import an audio file for you guys to see an example of what I'm talking about. So Audacity is a great software to clean up, in a way, your audio that you either recorded with Audacity or with another software. So I imported an audio track, and now I will zoom in a little so I can see more clearly my audio track. Now you won't be able to hear any sound coming from Audacity because my microphone is already plugged in with Camtasia Studio, which I'm using to record Audacity right now, recording my screen. So you won't really be able to hear anything, unfortunately. Now, in order to remove noise, you will have to select a part of the audio where you're not talking, where the only thing present is the noise you are trying to remove from the entirety of your track. So for example, if for a ceiling fan, you would take a portion of the audio where you're not talking and you could only hear the fan, right? You would select that on the track and then click on effects and noise removal, then click on getting the noise profile, and then you would select the entire track. A quick shortcut for this is Control+A, and then you would click on remove noise. So basically what you did is you created the profile of the noise you are trying to remove from a section of the audio where you're not talking, and by doing this you are able to remove this noise from the entirety of the track, which is pretty sweet. Now, once this is done, unfortunately you can't hear the track, but trust me, it did make a big difference. Now, as you can see, there are many more effects you can add. You can lower or higher your pitch, you can add a bass, you can do a million things. I suggest you check the forums. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.